Well, even on a rainy day, you got to keep working. So what I got here is back near the woods, there's a shady spot, and I grabbed this moss, and you see I'm putting it on all of this and just covering the cinder blocks with this stuff, and it ends up growing. Look at this. This was over this side for like a week. That's what it's going to end up looking like. Between each rock, you'll have moss growing. It's growing pretty good. That's what you want on the mountain to make it look real. I got it on the mountain. I did terrace steps. I used a junk, what is it, garbage can lid, like a Rubbermaid trash can lid that I didn't have the trash can for anymore. So I don't know what the hell I was going to do with a lid. So I just cut the lid up into pieces like this. And I did a piece a little smaller than this and identical to this, but a little smaller so it would fit up in there. And then I just terraced some rocks on it. I just put it together with screws on the outside, like here, like there, there, and there. I put like 3-4 screws in each one, and it doesn't matter. You'd say you got to seal it and whatnot, but I didn't. I took old carpet. It's actually not carpet. It's some kind of cloth, like a bath mat, bath cloth. So it's like somewhere between a rug, a shag rug, and some kind of, you know, blanket or something. I just put strips of this in the side to absorb the water and just slow any leaks down to mere drips, tiny drips. Who cares? The pond's probably 300 gallons. So yeah, that's what I did. I mean, you can see a little drip, but I think that's from raining, really. I didn't see anything leaking underneath. Maybe this is the telltale sign. I can't look in there, but this can. Huh, no kidding. All right, well, you guys will see it the same time I will. So, and that's what the finished product looked like on the outside. Yeah, the doggy's out. Gotta go.